Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this my beautiful client came all the way from Birmingham to Manchester to make her hair, and we truly had a very beautiful time. So I'll be making a side part crochet hairstyle for her, and of course I'll be using our Chic Natural Crochet bundle for her. In case you don't know, this very natural crochet bundle is from Yvonne Melda. Yeah, our bundle provides a very seamless blend to your natural hair texture. So this is a premium synthetic bundle. It accepts heat up to 150 degrees. The length is 18 inches. Bundle does not tangle. It doesn't tangle, guys. It can be washed, and our bundles can last up to 12 weeks, guys. So I'll be using color 1 for my client, and I used a total of 3 bundles for her. So I'll go ahead and drop the link of this unit in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. I promise you're definitely going to love it. Hi guys, so this is what the finishing looks like it's looking like it's growing directly from our scalp. Like the way I did the finishing, I used an invisible crochet method where you don't see the knots. Like the knots are hidden on all sides, you won't see them. Like when you turn to the front and also when you turn to the back, you won't see the knots. They are hidden, guys. This is my special signature crochet method, and currently I am cooking up a crochet masterclass for this, and it's going to be out very soon. So this is it, guys. This is the seamless finishing. So nice, so natural, like it's growing directly from my scalp. So this is it, guys.